Yes, I'm really grateful for your departure, your point of departure being not just the discussion of our MPs, but centering it around a document that is actually a fulfillment, you could say, of a promise made by the Prime Minister, the last administration, to ensure that before we went to the polls, the citizens would be guided by the document known now as the job description for MPs. After all, we are employing MPs through voting. So with that document in place that we've never had before, I would be trumpeting, of course, Giovanni, greater accountability, because citizens have a clearer sense of what it is that we can expect. I won't apologize for the fact that JAM, somewhere between May and June, did about 11 interviews between radio and television, reminding the Prime Minister of this promise, so we're grateful that he fulfilled it. It is still not a document that we think that will deliver on the level of accountability that the citizens deserve. But there is certainly an emphasis on the Constituency Development Fund to make sure that the constituents who have returned MP Jackson and who have brought MP Morris into the space can ensure that they will be getting more value for that investment of $20 million in the constituency. Outside of that, we also noted that the job description focused on the MPs, that is the lower house, providing what they call regular attendance and active participation in the House. Now, I'm looking forward to hearing from MP Morris and Jackson how they define that for themselves, but we are looking forward to greater accountability by virtue of having a document that is spelling out for the citizens what the job of our MPs are.